Hey guys, welcome back. It's Cameron from Nick and Cameron and Nick. So what are we doing today, Nick?
So today we're going to go to a VW parts liquidation sale. I just saw it on Craigslist. Hopefully we can get some good parts, just some good stuff to keep the selection plentiful. Some OG stuff. Yeah, we're gonna be taking the bus. We take the pickup, but it's kind of doesn't work right now. The starter's all messed up, so we'd have to push start it, but we don't really want to do that. So we'll just take the bus and we'll see if there's anything good, but yeah.
You looking for anything in particular?
I have a bug manifold on there right now. I'd like to get a bus one, but I mean, not really, just cruising through stuff.
Alright, cool. Alright, we'll see you guys in the car. Alright guys, we're in the car. How's it driving, Nick?
It's driving pretty good. It's a little floaty. It's a lot more top heavy than I'm used to because I usually drive single cab, but yeah, it's driving all right. There's a lot of weird harmonics that are coming out of like wheel wells and stuff. That's not reassuring too much, but what are you gonna do?
Yeah, I'd say it's a nice smooth ride. This car gets up to speed for sure. What'd you say you had it at last night?
Last night, going on the interstate. Oh shit.
Sorry guys, ambulance.
Yeah, last night I got up to 85 on the interstate. I was definitely passing people. It was pretty alright.
Yeah, I think we're going. What are we going right now?
We're going 65,
Yeah.
70.
And it feels like we're going 65%.
75.
Alright, well, okay. So we're going to a garage sale out in Camas, Washington, and we'll see when we get there. Just gonna film a short little video, and then we'll meet back to see what we got. Hey guys, we just got done with the garage sale for the VW part sale. We're at we just got some Five Guys and we're sitting in the back of the bus. What'd you get, Nick?
I got some old spark plug wires and a coil.
Cool. I got a chisel.
We'll pop some pictures of all that stuff.
Yeah, it's probably easier just to take photos of it. And you got coil, spark plug wires, and then I got a couple Alright, I got some pliers and a chisel. So, hey, thanks guys for watching. I know this is a shorter video. We'll see you later.
Yeah.
If you guys want 2 free stocks, use our Robinhood links.
Fuck off, Cameron.
Alright.
Fuck off.
We'll see you later.
Do not click those links. They're viruses.
No, they're not. No, they're not.
They're viruses.